Hey guys, I'm Christy with WTI, and as you can tell, I have acquired quite the number of bags and purses, and honestly, it was getting to the point where I didn't know how to store these. Well, looky what I found. These are purse hangers from Volnamal. This has really been the ideal storage solution for me. Prior to these hangers, I had my purses and bags in various areas. So this allows me to have them all in one place. I can see exactly where everything's at and then just quickly grab the bag or purse I need and go. These are also really durable. Some of the bags that I have hanging here still have quite a bit of contents in them and they can withstand the weight. I received the 2-pack, so there's 6 hooks on each hanger. That gives me a total of 12 places to hang things. I like that this is a tiered design because some bags are going to need to be hung up a little bit higher so they're not dragging, and that allows you to do that. The hook on the top also rotates 360 degrees, so you can face the hanger in whichever direction is most convenient for your space. These hangers have given me a very practical storage solution and have really added a touch of organization to my closet, and that makes me very happy. And that's my point of view.